Thanks so much for signing up for the online coaching business building blueprint. This guide that you signed up for is going to give you a great introduction to what it takes to build an online coaching practice. Now, one thing to keep in mind about all of that, there's a lot of steps involved. So if you ever read through the guide and you think, I don't really know what that means, or how do I actually do that? And you have questions, never hesitate to contact me. Feel free to email me at info@cassandravaughn.com, and I'll be happy to answer your questions about the free guide that you're able to download and that you'll get in your inbox. One other thing, have you ever wondered, what could I do to get my coaching business up and running in 6 months or less? Can I speed up the process? What can I do? And I've got an answer for you. You can get the Coaching Business Startup Kit. Now, I created the Coaching Business Startup Kit because I know how long, when I say long, I mean way more than 6 months, it took me to start up my online coaching business. And I wanted to reduce the time that it takes, especially new coaches, to do the same thing. So even if you've got a face-to-face coaching business, but you're like, the world is big. I want more clients than people in my town, my city, my state, my country. This is going to be the Coaching Startup Kit for you, because I have built 28 done for you coaching business startup resources. Everything from the actual timeline in a spreadsheet to get your business up and running in 6 months or less, to ebook templates, ebook cover templates, trackers, you name it. Everything you need to build this online coaching practice, and yes, it is specific to online coaching practice in 6 months or less, is done for you, available instantly in this particular startup kit. So learn more about what's in the startup kit, as well as the bonus audios that come along with this, because one thing I will say, every single product that I create, I always have training go along with it. So you're going to get video walkthroughs of all of the 28 resources. You're also going to get 2 bonus audios, one being 7 steps to building a thriving coaching practice. And the second bonus audio is going to be, how do you the simple steps to creating and keeping healthy boundaries. Because as coaches, one of the places we've got to get super clear, super early are our boundaries with our clients. So if you're listening to this and you're like, yes, I want to get my business up and running in 6 months or less. Yes, I want done for you resources so I don't have to spend a year trying to figure out what I need and create it. Read more under this video, and then you can purchase your startup kit today. Thank you for signing up for the email list. I look forward to connecting with you soon.